go! So today guys, it's 6:30 in the morning. So nandito tayo sa Singapore and we'll do a 5K ride going to Merlion Park. So done na sa warm up, let's hit the road. Let's go! 1K na guys. 4 more to go. Let's go! Sarap dito tumakbo kasi ang daming area for running and at the same time ang luwag ng pavements dito, yung sidewalk. Hindi katulad sa atin sa Pinas, talagang tatakbo ka na sa kalsada.
Turn left.
Medyo nakakakaba dito. Pero tignan nyo naman, malinis, walang nakatira. Diba? It's okay guys, last few to go, let's keep going. Ang sarap dito kasi nakakahinga ako ng maayos, hindi polluted. Just tignan nyo, dedicated talaga yung kalsada or yung bangketa para sa mga tao. Look! Diba? And this is the river, napakalinis. Let's go, baby! Almost 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers in. Last 2. Let's go. Almost 4 kilometers. Tingnan niyo. Hindi napuputol ang pavements dito, ang sidewalk. Tuloy-tuloy. Simula daling sa hotel. Napuputol man, tawiran lang. So grabe. Grabe guys, underpass lang to. Pero ang lamig. Tsakin ang yan. Ang sarap. Last 500 meters to go. Let's keep going. Let's go. Marina Bay. And guys, we made it to Merlion Park. And look at my view. Here's Marina Bay. That's Lotus Art Center, I guess. And this is the Merlion. So, as always, remember, every run is a step towards a better you. So let's go!